welcome back to Stevie's Lifestyle. You already know. As he said in the last video, he's gonna be giving out 2 gift cards. Each gift card is gonna contain $50. All you have to do is comment below the word he says after he eats the dog food jelly bean, and you'll be into the raffle, the first 15 people. So comment down below as quick as you can, because you have a chance to win the gift card. Peace.
Whoa. Yeah. Okay, so we're finna play the game tonight, right now. Ladies and gentlemen, just me and him finna. Let me see. Yeah, this is good enough.
It says, do not let
What's that?
wimps or crybabies play this game. I don't know if you can play this.
Come on, dude. Okay.
Why are you so close to me?
Shut up, bro. I only have this one camera.
You can push it back from a distance, and we can play sideways. Down.
Come on, dude.
Boy, Steven's trying to be a faggot. I got you. I'm about to make your video 10 times better, bro.
But they need to see what we're doing with that.
You don't think they'll be able to see what we're doing? This is an iPhone 10, Steven. This shit could zoom in from one house to another person's house.
What's up?
No.
Okay. No, you first.
What is this?
It says,
Stinky bug?
yeah.
What is that?
A toasted marshmallow or stinky bug. You have to pick one.
Toasted
it's
marshmallow.
right here.
Toasted
No,
marshmallow.
you have to pick one of that. If it's, you have to guess which one is the toasted marshmallow. So hopefully y'all can hear me. I don't think that's it, dude.
Is this not it?
This is this.
No, it's not.
It's this one,
Are you for it?
dude. Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my. Dude, why you make it so nasty? That's so fucking gross, bro.
Yeah, that's nasty, right?
That's nasty as fuck. It's like shit, like it smelled like a fart.
Yeah.
Like a fart was in my mouth for a second. I smelled like good. It was nasty as fuck.
Hold on, let me see. My turn. It's my turn, guys. Oh. Okay, this one is bark or peach. Oh,
But are they all gonna be nasty? Wait.
you didn't think about this?
No,
huh?
I thought it was gonna be like some of them would be nasty.
Yeah, it's some of them that's
Go ahead,
nasty.
eat it. It tastes like. They actually make it taste like bark.
Yeah.
Tutti, fruity, or stinky socks.
You have to talk louder. That's why I said you put the thing in front. Oh, yeah.
Because you're not gonna be able to see this.
No, it's okay. Where's your phone so I can record with your phone? Oh,
God, bro, they're all tasting nasty.
no, it's not. Oh, you have to
Bro.
big one.
Bro, I feel like my breath stinks like shit. It tastes like shit. Oh my God.
What the fuck? That shit nasty, huh? Okay, my turn. Okay. Oh, that's nasty. That shit nasty.
No more spitting it out, no more. You have to eat it.
You have to eat
You have
it?
to eat it.
Chocolate pudding. Oh,
They're both nasty. They're both nasty.
Fucking can of dog food. Last time I ate it. Oh, because I was playing with Sosa and Jonas.
Yo,
Oh, come on, God, please. And that shit was
you have
stuck
to
in
eat
my
it.
mouth.
We're eating it now. You have to eat it. You have to eat it. You have to eat it.
No, I'm not doing that no more. Never mind, fuck that video. What the fuck? I'm sorry, guys, but this shit nasty. I can't do
Still in
this.
my mouth.
How you feel?
I still haven't tasted a good one yet. And I still believe there's some good ones in here.
Yeah, there is. You want to try yourself?
What about, what's this?
This one? I'll let you know right now.
Spoiled milk, no thank you.
It says coconut and spoiled milk.
What about baby blue? Baby blue can't be bad.
The baby blue is toothpaste. I mean, berry blue and toothpaste.
Berry blue is the first good one. You ate canned dog food.
Yeah, bro, that shit nasty. Hell
The
no.
fact that they're able to make this actually taste like
Dog
what's
food.
on here
Is
actually genius.
Shout out to them, guys. Shout out to them, but I won't be playing that no more. Hell no.
Shout out
But
to
I'm gonna pay people to play it.
shout out to we're advertising now. It's like we don't advertise for free. Fuck, what do you mean?
At least we have to get.